Welcome to D. Nur Fatia Marketing e-Oracle Internet Technology World to Smart World. Today, we're going to discuss sharing something about toward a changing world. The world today are changing to IT world and Internet technology, smart world. How this traditional world are changing to become a smart world. The world 15 years back, 20 years back, the world are controlling by human. All the jobs are done by people. That is come under people power. But today, most of the jobs are handling by internet technology power. Is a IT power world under smart world today. So the world are slowly changing to become a smart world. So we have to really look forward to be and to change and follow this smart world. How this traditional world changing to smart world? Taxi company. Traditionally, 15 years, 20 years back, taxi companies are, we want to take taxi, we have to go to the taxi stand to stop a taxi to take taxi. But today, everything are changing to internet, Grab, Uber, Ola. They pick you up at home and they send you back direct to your doorstep. Hotel booking. Last time we have to go hotel by hotel to booking a hotel. But today everything changing to Trivago, Traveloka, online. Airline booking. Is it? Last time we have to go to travel agency. But today everything come under booking.com, airasia.com. Shopping. Last time we have to go to shops, we have to go to malls for shopping. But today, everything changing to online shopping, Amazon.com, Alibaba.com, Shopee, Lazada. Newspaper, magazine, books. Last time, we have to buy books and papers. But today, everything come under online paper, e-book, e-magazines. Advertisement. Companies, last time we have to go to newspaper company, radio company, television company for do advertisement. But today, everything come under online advertisement in social media, Facebook, WhatsApp, YouTube, banking finance system. Last time, we have to go to the bank, we have to take a number, we have to sit in the bank, wait for hours. But today, everything is changing to online banking. Same thing go for most of the traveling now, all are changing to online travel. The future in a smart world in the next 5 years, let's say it's a year 2026, most of the world are controlling by machines, computers, and also internet, smartphone. So more machines and technology, IT controlling the world. So the job opportunity for people is become less. So we have to be standby for this smart world. Never take life easy. Think in long term, not in a short term. Three important things to prepare. The first, we must always have a recurring income, focus on smart world, sustainable job. We have to follow internet technology, IT world. And the most important, everybody must have a saving for you and for your family. So introduce our company, D. Nur Fatia Marketing, DNFM. Started in 2009. It's already 12 years company. We are expert in marketing and also training. And we have a branches panel in 18 countries all over the world. Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, Cambodia, India, Nepal, China, Hong Kong, Australia, Indonesia, Brunei, Philippines, Sri Lanka, Laos, Vietnam, Macau, Korea, and also Myanmar. So we are really looking into, we follow the IT world under this D. Nur Fatia Marketing. We have Nippon Medicine Travel and Tour, Chandriya Berhad. There is a private limited company from Malaysia who are doing inbound and outbound traveling and also ticketing. And it's already 35 years since 1986. Another company under the Nur Fathia Marketing is come under Dusun Lifestyle. Sdn Bhd is another private limited company in Malaysia. 5 years since 2016. At the moment, we are doing affiliate membership all over the world, under 80,000 members at the moment all over the world. So how this company, the Nur Fathia Marketing, we make money? All our members all over the world, affiliate members, holidays with us, we give them a corporate traveler discounts. So the hotel give us a corporate discount, is an income for the company. Flight companies giving corporate discount, income for the company. Travel agency, we have an income. Tour bus companies give us income. Restaurants, corporate discount, income for the company. And we also have sightseeing and shopping commission. So our concept in the Nur Fathia Marketing, whatever the income that we make, profit for the company, 70 to 80% we refund back to our members in a cashback. Under CRM Business Holidays, cashback incentives for the members, business training program we provide for our members free, company loyalty programs, recurring benefits, and also we got a retirement loyalty program for our members. The more members that we have, the more incentive that we offer for our members. So the Nur Fathia Marketing, we are in the company sharing profit with our members. And we are already we panel with eOracle, expert in internet technology in India. It's an India company since 2016. eOracle is a master in IT business. Under them, they got eOracle Sport Games, eOracle Membership, eOracle Gaming Blockchain, and also eOracle Online Currency. eOracle, they have a community of over 6 million people all over the world in 38 countries. 500,000 people have changed their lifestyle. So what we do, we are learn IT and we follow eOracle. How eOracle are making money? For example, when we talk about sport, football, maybe soccer, tennis, cricket, badminton, World Cup, Olympic, let's say we talk about football. In traditional world, let's say you want to watch live football, we have to go to stadium, we have to buy a ticket from the stadium, so the stadium making money from us. But today, under the smart world, after COVID-19, most of the live in football, tennis, cricket, badminton, let's say Olympic or World Cup, we are watching at home. So we are buying online ticket, we are buying online data to watch all these live sport. So today's world, IT company is the one who make money like eOracle. Let's say we talk about video games. 10, 15 years ago, I and you, let's say we want to go and play video game, we have to go to this kind of arcade shop. We see this kind of boxes. We have to buy coins, 20 cent or 50 cent coin to play games. So the arcade shop are making money from the video game that we play. But today's world, I and you, under smart world, everybody in the world, we are playing online games. So online video game, you only need to buy data or you buy all the in online. So today's world, IT company are making money like eOracle. When we talk about movies, traditional world, if you want to watch a movie, you have to go to the theater, you buy a ticket from the theater, the cinema or the theater making money. But today's world, under smart world, online movies, we are watching everything at home. We are Netflix, Movie Box, Oreo, Popcorn, and so many companies. So today, online movies, the IT company like eOracle, they're making money. Let's say we talk about live concert, show. It doesn't matter. It's a K-pop or US pop, live concert last time. In traditional world, we have to go to the stadium, or the public area to watch, and we buy ticket. So the stadium and the organizer making money. But today, under the smart world, online concert, everything we watch in at home, we purchasing online data, the online ticket. So today, live concert, the IT company are making money. And the last I like to share today, when we talk about advertisement, most of the company, everybody are going to newspaper or TV or radio station or in the billboards for us to do advertisement. It's a very high cost, but the newspaper company and the online TV and also these billboards are making money. But today, under the smart world, under online advertisement, every company in the world, we are concentrating in social media like YouTube, Facebook to do the advertisement. And today, when we talk about advertisement, IT company like eOracle making money. So eOracle, they have expert in online IT business, ECN Coin, they got crypto, bull.biz, Payway debit card, MasterCard, DeFi 11. Everything is under video games, Noku, Maverick, Almi, and also gaming. So eOracle, exactly the same like D-Nor Fatia Marketing, we have a membership. So we share our profit with our members. In a short while, I'll explain how this sharing profit with our members. Coming income, a potential market income for these IT companies all over the world under smart sport, smart travel, and smart gaming, average roughly around 100 billion USD. It's already up there. Mainly coming from smart traveling, online traveling booking, average 50 billion. Smart sport, sponsorship, media right, 9 billion. Smart shop, merchandise, 6 billion. We have a competition and player transfer, advertisement, 19 billion average. Smart gaming, online game and publishers fee, 10 billion. Smart gaming under prize money, they have roughly around 3 billion. So only one question now. There is 100 billion USD in the world as a profit for this IT company. But how much you and I are earning from this? We play video game. We watch online movie. We watch online games. Everything that we do. But how much the money? So we follow D-Nor Fatia Marketing, you follow eOracle, you will earn income from this USD 100 billion. Build smart business around the world with smart world. Is it? The best business in the world I like to share today is online IT business. And the best marketing in the world today is networking, not MLM or multi-level marketing. Multi-level marketing is more to selling products, all the thing. But networking is different. Networking, they come under, we call as a worldwide community helping group, people helping people. This is our networking concept, how the company going to help you and how you going to help the company. So we work together. So our job as a member is only as a helping group worldwide. Our job is only invite people. We invite our friends, we invite our family members, we invite our relatives, people surrounding us to watch this Zoom preview, and we provide a Zoom training for our members. Our job is only invitation, no selling, no explanation, no talking, only invite. So when you invite them to come for the preview, and attend our training. If the members interested to join as a member, Deen or Fathia Marketing, eOracle, we're going to make money. And whatever the money the company make, we're going to share the profit 70 to 80% for you as a affiliate member. So in the terms of cash incentive and also conference holidays for you. Hard work, work for money. 85% to 90% of the world today they are in a hard work. That means they have to work 5 days a week or 6 days a week from morning until evening. End of the month, they are earning salary. This is come under hard work. But 3 to 5% of the world today are changing to smart work. That is money working for you. So now I like to share what's the difference of hard work and what's the difference of smart work. In a traditional world, business and working, we got 3 types of job. The first one we call as a working job. The second one we call as a semi-working job. And the third one we call as a non-working job. My favorite is non-working job, but we see one by one. Working job, that means you have to work 100% for money. So it doesn't matter, is it? You are an engineer, or you are a lawyer, or you are a doctor, or you are a nurse, or you are only a teacher, or a normal clerk in the office. You have to work for money. 5 days a week, 6 days a week, morning until evening, you have to work for money. That is we call as a working job. We see the second, semi-working job. 3 to 5% of the world are changing to semi-working job. 50% you do the job, another 50% the system or the company will help you. So this is you can do at home or you can do at work, office, just in front of a laptop or computer. So this is a semi-working job. For example, share market, people playing share market, people playing Forex, international currency, or lately people also have this cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, small coin. So all these semi-working job, you still have to sit in front of the computers, you have to monitor. For example, share market or cryptocurrency or called as a Forex, you have to know when the share market is go up, when the share market go down. So you must know when you want to sell and when you want to buy. So this is what we call as a semi-working job. But if you're not really experienced, my advice, think twice because you need to be expert to do this semi-working job. And the third one, the most easiest, non-working job. Non-working job is something that we call 100% the system work for you. While you are in holiday, while you are sleeping, while you are go for your game like tennis, while you are having your coffee, anytime money are entering to your bank. So this is what we call as a non-working job. So we go one by one. In our company, Deen or Fathia Marketing, eOracle, our kind of business here, we never concentrate in working job. No working job. We only do semi-working job and we do non-working job. So we call ourselves as stay home, make money. So it's a very, very interesting incentive plan in Deen or Fathia Marketing, eOracle. We have a concept of company profit we sharing with our members. It's a profit sharing concept. Most of the company in the world already started doing this profit sharing concept. It might be you never noticed. I just like to share with you. For example, most of the petrol company in the world, is it? What they do now, this petrol company, they offer membership card for you. Sometimes they offer free. So whenever you pour petrol with this company, you have to give your card and you can collect a point. So the more point you have, for example, 500 point or 1,000 point, what we do? We redeem for free petrol. So this is what we call as a concept, profit sharing concept. The petrol company sharing their profit with you in free petrol. Shopping malls, they offer membership card. We collect point whenever you shop in the shopping mall and you redeem for a gift. It's a mall sharing their profit with you. Online shopping. Now they already started with online membership, shop back card. Whenever you shopping with this online company, you will have their cashback. So this is what we call the company profit sharing concept. So di Nur Fatihah Marketing eOracle, we do the same. You become our affiliate member. Either you choose to become only our member or you become our active member. We will give you a profit sharing of 8 incentive plus holidays. So the complete what we do, we share 70 to 80% profit with you. So our incentive payout under di Nur Fatihah Marketing and eOracle under online travel, online sport, online membership, online gaming, and also online crypto gaming. Sharing with our members 8 incentive. The first, every day you will have an incentive income for 365 days a year. Your second income, every week for 52 weeks a year, we give you income incentive. Third, every month you got your third income incentive from the company. You have a referral income, matching incentive, mega matching incentive, and we offer business conference and education holidays for you. And the last one is auto recurring every year. So for our incentive and benefit, meet us in part 2. Part 1 about the company, part 2 about the, so just put DNF eOracle, part 2, meet you all again. Thank you very much.